Good morning, students. To start with, we are continuing with financial market. Now, in the financial market, we'll start with capital market. Now, capital market is a market. Money market was for short term, and capital market is the long term. Now, capital market is the barometer of any economy. Like taking example, when there was a war between India and Pakistan in the 70s, at that time it was zero, and in 2014 it was 14 to 15,000. So it's about 15,000. Now it has crossed 30,000. Now this shows that our economy is growing. So capital market refers to facilitate the institutional arrangement through which long-term funds, both debt and equity, are raised and invested. The capital market consists of financial institutions, commercial bank, and stock exchange. Capital market refers to debt market where transactions in long-term securities are made. Capital market offers help in meeting the long-term financial needs of various sectors of economy. In case of capital, it's only for short term. Now it's for longer period of time. If the company wants to expand or the company wants to diversify, then it has to approach capital market. Now capital market encourages people to invest their small saving into productivity. So here household plays a vital role. Now types of capital market, there are two types of primary market. There are two types of capital market. One is primary, second is secondary. Now primary market, as the word says, primary, at the first stage where first time shares and debentures or securities are issued, is primary market. It is flowless. And secondary market, where already existing shares are bought and sold, that is stock exchange. Now primary market is also known as new issue market. In this market, securities are directly issued by a company to investors. A company can raise capital through primary market in the form of equity share, preference share, debenture, loan, deposit. Fund raised may be for existing of new projects, expansion, diversification, modernization of existing projects, merger, takeovers, etc. Now, feature of primary market is related to new issues. The first important feature of primary market that is related to new issues. And it has no particular place. It is flowless. Now there are 5 methods of flotation of in the primary market. First is public issue, second is offer for sale, third is private placement, fourth is right issue, fifth is EIPO. Now public issue, under this method the company issues prospectus and invites general public to purchase shares or debentures. Now offer for sale, under this method securities are not sold directly to the public, but they are sold to the intermediary like stock exchange, which are registered by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Now in this case, a company sells the entire lot of securities at an agreed price to brokers, who in turn resell them to the investing public. Now there are two ways. There are two steps. In the first step, the company sells the entire lot of shares to the intermediary at an agreed price. In second, the intermediary resells these shares to investors at a higher price. Now third comes the private placement. Private placement is the allotment of security of a company by a company to institutional investors and some selected individuals. In this way, the flotation cost comes down. It helps to raise the capital more quickly than a public issue. Under this method, there is no prospectus issued, so automatic flotation cost will come down, preliminary expenses will come down, and they are sold mainly to UTI, that is Unit Trust of India, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, GIC, General Insurance Corporation, etc. Now fourth is right issue. As the word suggests, right, it is a privilege given to the already existing shareholders. It's some proportion of the new issue is given to them at a price less than market price. Now, this is offer for new issue by a company to existing shareholders. When an existing company needs fresh capital and issues new shares, each existing shareholder has a right to subscribe to new shares in proportion of shares he already holds. Now, in this case, the shareholder has the right either to accept the offer for himself or he can assign a part of all of his rights in favor of some other person. Now last is electronic initial public. As the word electronic, now today in 21st century we can't live without internet, so this is through using the electronic medium, that is internet. The company issuing securities through this medium enters into a contract with stock exchange, SEBI registered broker has to be appointed for the objective of accepting application. Now the broker regularly sends information about it to the company. The company issuing securities also appoints a registrar who helps in making the issue a success by establishing contact with stock exchange. Thank you.